Greetings worldwide, greetings. My name is Mo, your name is Mo. We are all more. So let's make more money. Welcome back to the channel P64 Crypto, P64 Crypto Asset, and P64 Finance. Alright guys, it's been a while, 3 days, I think 4 days I have not come with a video, but the market has been stable, it seems like. But like I told you guys, in the crypto market, it's not gonna go all time high like it was. So I was telling you guys to just keep some dry powder, just in case if things regress back more. That way you can take advantage of the situation. And I have also signaled that, you know, we are in uncharted territory, because what I was seeing was what the chart was telling me, and what the technical analysis or indicators saying was that I didn't see the direction that it was going up, and I was right, I was correct, because we have seen that things have not been moving as they were moving, okay, on the altcoin side, not the Bitcoin side, but we're talking about altcoin. And there is few altcoins like Chainlink and Aave. Those have been going up, and you can see the momentum has slowed down a little bit. So it's here and there, some goes up, you know, not like how we were seeing it back in 3 weeks ago. Everything was just floating up, and things just slammed down on that Monday. And I was just cautioning everybody to be careful in just jumping in right there, because if you jump in, you would lose money. If anybody jump in at the time, you would have lose a lot of money too. So it's good that you have your dry powder, your dollar cost average, because it's not behaving like it was behaving previously. So it's very important you keep dry powder at all time. You know, you can sometimes jump into a trade, and when it go up, you know, take some cash out, and you know, just keep dollar cost averaging like that. Or I call that system the chicken and the egg system. In the chicken and the egg system, what I do is, you know, I make sure that I know how a stock behave, or how a crypto behave, how price action basically, okay. And once I understand the price action, I take advantage of that price action. You know, I'm making small gains, I'm making small money out of it, you know, because you follow the price action. You know, it doesn't always behave the same way, but once you understand how, you know, a stock is behaving, or crypto is behaving, or an asset is behaving, that way you can take advantage of it. And that's what this channel is all about, just to give you insight on what's happening. And I'm gonna keep reiterating this thing more and more, because it's very important that you keep, you know, I'm a portfolio facilitator. I help you pick best 3 assets, not more than that. If it is stock, you have to keep 3 stock. That way you are able to manage them very correctly, you know, because you can follow those ones very quite well, you know. That way you can take advantage of their volatility, or their behavior, or their price action. This is very important. But if you have bunch of stocks, let's say 60 or 60 crypto, sometimes it will go up, you won't even know which one goes up like that far, because you can't follow all of them. Or you have 100, because I see people You know, anything that they tell them about, they jump into it. So they spread their money so thin that they are not making money. When everything goes up, they see a high money, but they cannot take advantage of. They cannot sell, you know, because they having small here and there. So they cannot take advantage of it. They cannot take the chicken and egg system that I have. And it's very important you have someone like that who know this stuff, who can guide you to get that comfortable, and then you can start executing like that. If not, you're just always gonna be in the market and just losing money. Look at all the millionaires that make good money. Mark Zuckerberg only have one stock, which is Meta. That's it. Okay, and he understand that niche, social media, more than anybody, because you know he's jack of one trade. He's not jack of all trade. Okay, and if you go to Bill Gates, the same thing. It's Microsoft. He owned one company called Microsoft. Later on, they diversify because they have money. They retire. They diversify, like I told you about Warren Buffett. Okay, and the same thing with this guy Elon Musk. You know, he started with one company, then he make money, then he started with another company. That's how he go about it. He don't run 100 companies at one time. Okay, this is how rich people do. Elon Musk, yes, he is a founder of many companies. Okay, but he don't run all of them. He have somebody there. You know, he is the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX. I think he have someone at Twitter. You know, he have somebody running Twitter, I believe, because I remember. She have one lady there. I couldn't remember her name. She introduced her to the world that she is running Twitter. But she did the, you know, cost cutting and all that stuff, and then give it to somebody. Yeah, so it's very important you have that in mind. You know that you have only 3 good stocks or 3 good asset cryptos that you can manage effectively. That way, my chicken and egg strategy, you can take advantage of that. It's very important. If you spread yourself so high, so much, like I said, if things start going down, you cannot control that either. You know, it's vice versa. When things start going up, you can't control it. When things start going down, so you're gonna end up being a loose cannon. You know, like they said in Wall Street, you know, bulls make money, you know, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. And that's what happened, because pigs, they get slaughtered in a sense that they don't make money. They keep losing money because they are here, there, and everywhere. You know, they just bandwagoners. A bandwagonist is somebody who, let's say, it doesn't take a position. You don't have a principle. He don't have no principle. Anybody that come and preach something, he jump on that. Anybody that come and preach something, he jump on that. So he's very scattered. Okay, that's why they don't make money. So, but P64 crypto, I said, what I do is I make sure I make sure, depending on your, you know, on your how they call it, on your net worth or your liquid money, I set you up in a way that you can take advantage of this situation. You can have only 3 stock or 3 crypto that you can take advantage of. Okay, and that's what P64 is all about. So if you want a fortress portfolio, feel free to leave me a message. That way I can help you have a good portfolio that you can take advantage on, and your crypto or your stock keep going up, because that's the essence of investing. You don't want to be investing and be at the same level at every time. Your money is at the same place or is reducing. That's a bad investment, and that's a bad investment practice. Okay, so you always want to be appreciated, you know, getting dividend, and plus your assets are appreciating over time. That's how you beat inflation. So if you are interested, please leave me a message, and then we can connect, and I can help you. And also, if you are interested in this kind of videos, please ring that notification bell, subscribe to this channel. That way when I come with another video, you are forced to be notified. All right, you guys take care. Peace out.